Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about if this problem is showing. You can see this is the image. You can see that recovery mode, your phone will get recovery. Then how you can fix that? When you just click power button, it is not opening. How you can fix them all? So let's start. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to see there it is a power button, volume up and volume down. You have to press both volume button and power button like this. And you have to press all three buttons and you can see the image is gone. And then you have to press your power button only, then it will be restart. Friends, you can see it is now open. You can see fast boot is removed successfully. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.